How to decorate a baby shower chair. Baby shower is considered as a party where you can not only share the happiness together but also take part in a number of games in the home of the couple hosting the event. The most important thing is that you can celebrate the arrival of a beloved child. Therefore, to create the lifetime of a memory, knowing some tips of how to decorate a baby shower chair can make this celebration as stunning and special as possible. To get started with the decoration, you first need to make a specific plan on your mind. For instance, you should imagine what type of chair as well as necessary facilities which are used to plan your decoration. By doing this, you can organize such a fascinating and magnificent baby shower without wasting much money, time and efforts. Also, the concept of the party needs to be discussed in the beginning. The mom-to-be's idea should be respected since she is one of the most important people of this event. Thus, designing the baby shower according to her style can bring her a joyous and unforgettable moment for her entire life. As you know, baby shower chair is designed for the mom-to-be, so that she can observe all of the guests when opening the presents. As a consequence, a plenty of space around the chair is required for two reasons. Firstly, you can stack a diversity of gifts around the chair and then, all of the guests can gather around the mother-to-be. Moreover, do not forget to decorate the backdrop behind the chair, which can create a perfect view for the whole party. Rocking chair. At first, you can know how to decorate a baby shower chair with a rocking chair. This is regarded as the most common choice for many baby showers these days. When decorating the chair, you should remember to match the color as well as the layout of the party. You can paint the chair with your favorite colors and then sprinkle it with glitter. With the back of the chair, you can tie some helium-filled balloons. Besides, arms and legs of the chair can be covered with streamers and tulle. On the other hand, you can use a decorative blanket in case you cannot find any streamers. This replacement can totally add more comfort for the mom-to-be. Finally, you can put either flowers or candles around the chair in order to have an outstanding setting. However, make sure that everyone can move easily with the existence of all the decorative items. High-backed wicker chair. Wicker chair is quite well known for having an image of a throne at the first sight, hence many people tend to buy this for baby shower. With this large chair, the mother-to-be can feel relaxed when enjoying the party. Therefore, with some simple items, you can totally learn how to decorate a baby shower chair. With wicker chair, tulle is one of the most suitable fabrics owing to its flexibility and easy attaching. Again, try to make the colors match your baby shower layout. In case you have already known the gender of your child, pastel pink and blue can be used for girls and boys respectively. Otherwise, green and yellow is widely chosen nowadays. After deciding the color, you can wrap the tulle around the chair and then make a bow at the back. In addition, any stuffed animals such as a nice teddy bear can be put into the chair in order to increase the fantastic landscape. All of these elements can absolutely be added to the attractiveness of the celebration. Other options. An umbrella can be used in order to decorate your baby shower chair in a unique and distinct way. You can hang or stand an umbrella at the back of your chair, then attach some blue ribbons to make the rain effect. With this creation idea, you can ensure to deliver the true message of baby shower in the end. However, if you are interested in a humorous layout, cloth diaper is truly an ideal choice. You may think that this is such a silly idea at the first time, but to be honest, a chair covered with diapers is quite practical since the parents can take the diapers home for further use. Furthermore, there are some important things related to baby shower chair that you need to remember. This chair is mainly provided for the mother-to-be, therefore, we need to ensure that she can maximize her relaxation when sitting. In particular, large and comfortable chairs are preferable since the mother is in her pregnant period. Moreover, placing a number of cushions as well as pillows can increase more satisfaction for those who are heavily pregnant. Last but not least, do not force yourself to organize a baby shower with over-budget and inconvenient venue. If your finance is limited, Do not hesitate to aim for a cost-friendly option, and your own house is recommended for sure. However, you need to take care of every detail of the baby shower in order to have a perfect celebration. On the other hand, if your finance condition is good, a variety of locations is available, such as restaurants, hotels and clubs. In spite of the fact that you have to spend more money, you can get professional services in terms of tasty cuisine, entertaining programs as well as elegant decorations. In conclusion, you can make your own decision on these matters, since you and your beloved people will be the highlight of this party. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our Top 10 channel. Thank you very much.